Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Zoho Survey. First, sign up for a free Zoho Survey account or log in to your existing one. From your dashboard, click Create Survey to begin. You can select from over 200 pre-built templates or start with a blank canvas. This initial step sets the foundation for gathering valuable insights efficiently and effectively. It takes less than 1 minute to get started and begin your data collection journey. Next, design your survey by adding various question types, such as multiple choice, rating scales, or open-ended text. Utilize advanced logic to create dynamic paths, ensuring respondents only see relevant questions. Personalize the look and feel with custom themes, colors, and your company's logo. This ensures a professional and engaging experience for every participant, making your survey both effective and visually appealing. Once designed, distribute your survey through multiple channels. Share it via email campaigns, post on social media platforms, or provide a direct link. You can also embed the survey directly onto your website for seamless integration. Consider setting a response limit of, for example, 500 entries or scheduling its availability for a specific period. Finally, analyze your collected data in real time. Zoho Survey provides powerful reporting tools to generate comprehensive reports with insightful charts and graphs. Easily filter and segment your responses to uncover key trends. You can also export your data in various formats, such as CSV or PDF, for deeper analysis or sharing with your team.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.